guys, I'm back. This is your boy Nkupi the Entertainer, and we're back at the Magnum store in Sandton City, Johannesburg. We are here because of the Nkupi Magnum Challenge. Our winners are here. Today is the day our winners are gonna come here and actually come and make their own Magnums, guys. You're gonna see it. Congratulations to our winners. Thank you to everyone who took part in the Nkupi Magnum Challenge, guys. So you need to come next time when I do it. You have to join so you can come and experience everything that we're about to see.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Coming our winners very soon. They'll be here joining us. So guys, Nkupi Crush Your Magnum Challenge pays, guys. They'll be designing their own magnums in their own design. So come and let's see. Come and let's see. I want to show you around the store. I want to show you around the store. This is where all the challenges came. Man, I'm gonna come this side and I just want you to come meet the crew, the people who are gonna be responsible in assisting our winners in designing their own magnums. How's it, guys? Are you guys ready? I have my winners. They're gonna come and ready. Yeah, guys. So they're ready. Let's go collect our winners. Let's go wait for them outside. She has to come, don't know from where, but she said she's outside, so she's gonna come and join us, our first winner. Guys, this is our first winner. How does it feel to be the winner of the Nkupi Crush Your Magnum Challenge?
Well, it feels great.
Are you happy?
I'm very much happy.
Okay. Can they see you? You're hiding. So guys, yeah, this is our first female winner. This is our first winner, Level. So Level, how did you find out about the Nkupi Crush Your Magnum Challenge?
Well, on social media, yes.
So you follow Nkupi the Entertainer, or you follow Magnum, or what happened?
I follow Nkupi, obviously.
I've got one in the bag. So guys, from here, she's gonna go in and we're gonna wait for the other one. I don't know whether we should go in together or you wanna wait for the other winner to come, so you go with him.
No, I'll wait for the other winner.
You wait for the other winner.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let me take you in.
Audio Jungle.
Yeah, this is our first winner, the female Level. Yes, she'll be waiting for the other guy. We're gonna wait for him outside. Come and join him. It's like this, like that. Let's do it.
Audio Jungle.
We're now waiting for Wally, Lear, and Hazen.
Audio Jungle.
You are the winner, the main winner of this Nkupi Crush Your Magnum Challenge. So how does it feel? How do you feel?
I feel so happy inside. I feel humble.
Oh, people told me that he brought Afrikaans.
Yeah, but
So say yes, Afrikaans. Say yes, hey. Just like that guy. So guys, this is Wally, winner of the Nkupi Crush Your Magnum Challenge. He's the male contestant. So guys, how did you find out about the Nkupi Crush Your Magnum Challenge?
I've been following Nkupi the Entertainer by your Facebook, Instagram, by social media. Everywhere, YouTube. You're the man.
That's why you deserve this. You deserve this. So they're gonna go in and design their own Magnum. Come and join us.
Audio Jungle.
Guys, Wally and Level, do you have any idea of what's gonna happen today?
No.
You don't? Okay. You are going to have the benefit of designing your own Magnum. Yeah, it's that way. You are gonna design your own Magnum. So from today you'll be having your Magnum Lemon Hazen and Magnum Lemon. Yeah. That's the benefit of participating in the Magnum challenge. So are you ready? Yes. Are you really ready? Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Put it here, put it here, put it here. That's nice. Okay, sit there ready guys. We're gonna go. This is the station where they'll be working from. Our winners will be coming here to design their own Magnum from this station. So, brother, how's it? Very good. I'm very good. So which flavors do we have? What's gonna happen to my my winners because they don't really have
So the procedure is when you make your own, you choose 3 toppings, right? You will shake them up, then you take a plain vanilla ice cream, then you choose whether dark blue or white chocolate. So the pink and the blue, I can only give them to them as a choosing.
It's a recipe.
Yeah, but the choice of any color when you're choosing.
That's nice. So they're gonna leave with the complete ice cream.
Complete
The same ice cream that we experience buy in the shops.
It's not really the same, it's a different experience.
Okay.
Because this one is 3 toppings, the spoon and on top. Usually you want to buy at the shops like cotton and chocolate and the toppings are inside. But this one you get to see the chocolate.
Oh, great. Let me bring my people so they can experience this whole thing. Sure.
Audio Jungle.
Are you ready? Who wants to go first? Is it you or you? Which one is first? Ladies first are such a gentleman, such a gentleman. So, may I? Yeah, let's go. So, I think you have arrived to your destination. They will tell you everything that you need to know on how to design your own Magnum. Are you excited? Very much. Prove it. Prove it.
How?
Okay.
I'm so excited.
That's
And I just can't hide.
So guys, let's just continue now. We're gonna tell you all about it. Enjoy the order.
Awesome. So you have to choose 3 toppings from here, then I'll take you to the Just 3 toppings. Now more noodles.
You like chocolate, man?
Alright. Okay. Now,
Wow, come and cover. So how do you feel about your new Magnum?
I feel awesome.
What are you gonna call it? What are you gonna call it? Give it a name.
I'm gonna call it Magnum. Fenigo.
Fenigo. Magnum
Yeah.
Fenigo. Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Why Fenigo? What does it mean?
You just came up with it now.
Yeah.
Such an engineer. Are you studying engineering?
No.
That's good, guys. As you can see, this is Magnum Fenigo. Did I pronounce it right?
Yes.
Yeah, Magnum Fenigo, guys. Designed by Lebo herself, assistant of the Magnum 2, guys. So yeah, this is what you get for crushing Magnum challenge, guys. Congratulations, Lebo.
Thank you so much.
Go enjoy your nice.
Oh yeah.
We're done with our first contestant, and Wally, are you ready? Yes. Yeah. Come on. Go. Yeah.
How are you? Good. Welcome to the Magnum pop-up store. So what you're going to do for me, you're going to have a look at all our toppings. And we have our classics, of course, which are the ones you see right over here.
aí. Oi, pega aí. Oi, jive aí. Nasce. Usa.
How did it feel to be doing the challenge, the Magnum challenge? You just saw other people posting their videos, crushing their Magnums, and they said, hey, I'm just gonna do that.
Yes.
You like training trains, huh?
Really experiences.
Or maybe this was a nice train because it had Magnum. So, Wally, you are Afrikaner, right? So, even an Afrikaner, what are you going to call it?
Magnum Rusi.
Magnum Rusi.
Rusi is the richest.
Oh, guys, Magnum Rusi. So today, Wally gave birth to a Magnum Rusi. So, you're going to eat roses, everything, and you're going to chow it. So, these are the benefits of the Nkupi Clutch and Magnum Challenge, guys. Welcome to Johannesburg, Sandton. We do take pleasure seriously. Seen our winners, they have designed their own Magnum. They're going to enjoy their stuff there. They'll be having lots of fun going to the photo booth. They're going to take pictures of So guys, it seems as if when you've got something pink on your ice, on your Magnum, you are gonna come to the pink side. And this one, guys, I see everything here. It's mixed up. Pink, blue color, bro. Just put, guys, just put. I want to give you a riddle. Are you ready? You are just going to say, we're the winners of the Nkupi Crush Your Magnum Challenge. Can you do it? Can you do it?
Louder.
I'm going to say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
We the winners.
So, guys, after I finish, and when I say go, it's like, we the winners of Big Crush Your Magnum Challenge. That's it. Yes. We the winners of Big Crush Your Magnum Challenge. Did you get it? Did you get it? Serious? Do I need to repeat myself? Okay, please be audible. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We the winners of the Nkupi Magnum.
They failed it again. We're doing it for the last time. Your ice creams are gonna melt if you don't get this right. So, guys, we the winners of Nkupi Crush Your Magnum. What were you doing in those videos? Weren't you crushing the Magnums? Yes, I want you to tell everyone what you've been doing. We the winners of the Nkupi Crush Your Magnum Challenge. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We the winners of the Nkupi Crush Your Magnum Challenge.
Yay!
Hello Nkupi. Kaya kung putsa ka Magnum yung regular
Nkupi! Washa! Nkupi nkwebo zikudu man.
Okay guys, this is the crew, the people responsible of bringing all this awesomeness. So guys, thank you for tuning in guys. Make sure that you follow the entertainer. Hashtag Magnum Johannesburg. We do take players seriously guys. Come to Magnum Johannesburg and design your own Magnum. Thanks for participating in the Nkupi Crush Your Magnum Challenge. The crew here is on top of everything. We are here guys. Bye. I have my two engineers here. They engineered their own Magnums, guys. They are done. They chowed them. How was it? How was the experience, guys? Feedback?
It was lekker.
It was
Heerlijk.
It's a heerlijk. It was nice.
Special. Yes, it was nice. And all thanks to Nkupi the Entertainer.
Yeah, you heard it, guys. The name to follow. Nkupi the Entertainer. That's the name to follow, guys. Cheers, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye. Yep guys, Nkupi Crush Your Magnum Challenge. Next time you can join and you could be here. Who knows? Nkupi Crush Your Magnum Challenge. It might bring you here. Next time I want you here.